Welcome to this special video where we'll be exploring the twin powers of gratitude and blessings. Before we begin, take a deep breath. Center yourself in this moment. Allow your subconscious mind to absorb these affirmations. Let the words resonate deep within your spirit, sending ripples of positivity and peace. Now, let's get started. I am grateful for my health. I bless every cell in my body for working tirelessly to keep me well. I am thankful for my family's love. I bless my family with love, health, and prosperity. I am grateful for my job. I bless my workplace with harmony and success. I am thankful for my friends. I bless each of my friendships with love and understanding. I am grateful for today's opportunities. I bless this new day with potential and promise. I am thankful for my home. I bless my living space with peace and joy. I am grateful for nourishing food. I bless the hands that have prepared my meals. I am thankful for education. I bless my teachers and mentors who have guided me. I am grateful for my challenges. I bless these difficulties for the lessons they teach me. I am thankful for my partner. I bless my relationship with love and trust. I am grateful for my freedom. I bless those fighting for freedom and justice around the world. I am thankful for my creativity. I bless the world with my unique talents and gifts. I am grateful for the beauty of nature. I bless the earth and all its creatures. I am thankful for my senses. I bless the world that I see, hear, taste, touch, and smell. I am grateful for technology. I bless the minds that create tools that benefit humanity. I am thankful for quiet moments. I bless the stillness that brings me peace. I am grateful for laughter and joy. I bless each moment that makes me smile. I am thankful for my journey. I bless the path that has led me to this moment. I am grateful for those who have helped me. I bless every kind soul who has touched my life. I am thankful for the love in my life. I bless the love that I give and receive every day. Feel the gratitude and blessings fill your heart as you repeat these affirmations. Remember, gratitude and blessings are two sides of the same beautiful coin. Let them illuminate your life. Thank you for watching.